Alright, so I just left 4-wheel parts, as you can see. Picked up some Oracle lights. But this guy next to me is talking on the phone, and just rest in peace to his ears. He turned around. I thought I'd get a little bit better reaction, but that's good enough for me. Let's pull out.
And how careless we could be, and how careless we could be.
What's going on, guys? So we are ready to install some. Oh dang, that car is messed up. Did you see that car? Dang, I was trying to flip the camera, but I can't because I'm on my iPhone right now. But we just got back from 4-wheel parts. I'm actually still in the truck. I picked up a set of Oracle LED lights, and I went with the Oracles just because I feel like they're gonna be better quality than the eBay set, you know. Let's do a little 90-mile-an-hour pull. Alright, so we're here. It's raining a little bit. Hopefully the weather will calm down because it's been raining the past month. But it's good, I guess. So we're gonna pull the truck in and get to working on it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take off the grill and the intake because I'm gonna put a light bar on it. So we're gonna do that first. Went ahead and got it off. You can see I had already cleaned my condenser, but there's already bugs in here again.